The mini blizzard, snow blizzard started at around noon and it is continuing. It is complete whitewash. You just cannot go out in this, you cannot drive. It is slushy because of yesterday's rain and it likely to continue till 7 p.m. today. This is the heaviest snowfall so far at 4 o'clock. Everything looks white. This is the heaviest snowfall of the day and the visibility has become so poor that it's not even, I think it is not even 50 meters. The parking space outside the apartments have been cars have been fully covered with snow. The tree here is also fully covered and it has been completely snow washed. It is at about 4:15 p.m. This is Sudhir's car, fully covered with snow. This is entrance to the Sudhir's apartment. Look at those two trees which have been fully covered with snow. It's all over the snow. It was all the snow. This is Sudhir's car, half covered with snow. God alone knows how he will be able to take it.